Hi. Have you ever spent hours cleaning your house only to sit down afterwards and think, why does it still look cluttered or why does it still look messy? Today, I'm sharing the 10 biggest clutter mistakes I see in real homes that make spaces feel chaotic even when they're perfectly clean. One of the most common things clients tell me is, Carrie, I clean all the time, but my house still looks cluttered. Can you relate? Sometimes I can even relate. I mean, our homes aren't going to be Pinterest perfect all the time. But here are some things I think you will learn here that will help. The truth is that clutter and dirt are two different problems. A home can be spotless and still feel overwhelming. Today, I'm sharing the 10 biggest visual clutter culprits that make homes look messy even when they're clean. So let's jump in. Item number 1 is overloaded countertops. Kitchen counters become storage zones. Mail, appliances, water bottles, supplements, decor. When everything is out, nothing stands out. You can't see one beauty because you have too many beautiful things. So keep only daily use items visible. Now, number 2, too many decorations. Decor should enhance a home, not overwhelm it. A few meaningful pieces often create more impact than dozens of small items. Number 3, open shelves filled to the capacity. Open shelves create visual noise. Leave breathing room. Not every shelf must be full. Item number 4, paper piles. Mail, school papers, receipts, bills. Paper clutter instantly makes a home feel stressful. Create a simple paper management system. Now, number 5, floor clutter. Items stored on floors make rooms feel smaller. Use shelves, hooks, cabinets, and bins. Now, item number 6, too many small, little itty bitty items. Collections of tiny objects create visual distraction. Group similar items together. Use trays and containers. Now, number 7, overstuffed furniture areas. Too many pillows, blankets, too much furniture. Sometimes less really is more. Now, item number 8, unfinished projects like crafts, repairs, do it yourself projects. These quiet drain mental energy every day. Number 9, overcrowded entryways. Shoes, bags, jackets, packages create simple drop zones. Item number 10, keeping too much just in case. Too many empty boxes, too many old electronics. This is one of the biggest clutter causes. Most homes don't have space problem. They have a volume problem. Too many empty jars. The most organized homes I've worked in aren't necessarily the biggest homes. They're the homes where everything has a purpose and a place.